Hi and welcome everyone. In this video we will show you how to make a reservation. Let's go!
Hello, good morning. Welcome to the Keiwa Hotel. How can I help you?
Hi, my family and I would like to reserve a room.
Of course. How many rooms will you need?
I will need 2 rooms, please.
Okay, how many nights will you be here?
We will be here for 5 nights.
What type of beds do you want? Twin or king size?
We want twin beds.
Sure, smoking or non-smoking rooms?
Non-smoking, please.
Great. In whose name do I make the reservation?
Linda López.
Okay, the total to pay is $540 for 2 rooms and 5 nights. It's okay?
Of course.
Will you pay in cash or by credit card?
Credit card.
Okay, no problem. Can you give me your credit card?
Yes, here it is.
Alright, Miss Lopez, your reservation is done. Your keys are here. Your rooms are number 14, 15, and 16 on the first floor. Do you need anything else?
Yes, we do. Could you tell me what time the restaurant opens?
No problem. The restaurant opens from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Okay, thanks.
Welcome to the hotel and enjoy your stay with us.
Thanks for watching and see you later. Bye bye!